Next question is for Dustin.
Ikaw?
Hi, Das. So, syempre naman, you were fighting for the last spot para makapasok sa final Big Four. Syempre, anong na-feel mo noon at the time? Kasi yung tinawag ni Lino, parang napakakalmado mo at the time. In-expect mo naman na lalabas ka or nag-ready ka lang at that moment?
At that time, I wasn't really expecting anything talaga. And to answer your question, if hindi ako nagkakamali, pang fifth time ko na ata consecutive ma-nominate or mapunta sa eviction na yun. So every time na napupunta ako doon, siguro ready na rin talaga ako. Anytime. Sabi namin palagi, everything happens for a reason. So, at that time, parang sabi ko, if oras na, oras na. Masakit kasi yun nga, last evictee kami ng PBB Collab. Sobrang sakit, parang heartbreak siya, honestly. Blanco lang yung mukha ko nun kasi kailangan ko maging andun for Bianca. Kasi alam kong mas magiging mahirap to for her. Yun for her. So ako, naging positive na lang din talaga ako. At of course, yung nakapasok naman is yung duo na close din namin, which is si Mika and Brent. So, happy rin naman. Happy na may kasamang sakit, parang ganun. Mixed emotion.